What is up, guys? ASIG12 here, and today we're going to be opening X-Men Series 2 trading cards. These are the 1993s, not the 1992s or the 1994s. These are way better. Anyway, let's begin. If you can find it on eBay, it'll have a plastic wrap around it that's factory sealed. Mine was factory sealed. So we're going to open this box. And you can pop this out, and then you fold it down. And then you can do that, which is pretty cool.
Yes.
You get 6 cards in a pack, and there's 36 packs in this whole thing. So let's begin. I'm gonna open 18 on camera, and then we're gonna do the rest off camera, and then we'll show you the findings when we get done.
W, here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 16, 17, 18. That's 18 cards, or 18 packs. Let's begin with this one. And how I'm going to open these, you don't necessarily have to do this, is I open it from the top because I put them in my binder. Alright, let's begin.
Alright, what do we got?
I got a Deadpool. Just flip that around. Havoc, I already have him. That should have made him an anti-hero. Professor X. Excalibur. Black Tom. Serene, I think. That's the first pack. Let's keep cracking. Rogue. Already have her, I already have him. She's new. Is that a, some of them are arch enemies, or arch enemies, almost enemies. They, you can combine 2 cards. I have the Storm version, so I can combine these 2.
Oh, that's cool. So it has like another card that goes beside it. Cool.
Then Gideon, Bishop, Storm. That's just the normal Storm card.
What?
I might get another one of these, but I'm after literally any holo.
Alright.
I got a bunch. You can just you probably can't read these. Mr. Sinister. He was a hard to find action figure. So was Gambit. If you could find a Gambit action figure toy base, then you're doing pretty good.
Never heard of Mr. Sinister, Loki.
Deathstrike. Archangel. It's a superhero. Sienna Blaze. X-Men Blue, already have that one. Shadowcat, already have her too. Phoenix. Omega Red. The Power of Professor X. Dark Riders. Brotherhood of Evil Mutants. Juggernaut.
Juggernaut.
Iceman. Nightcrawler. The Sentinel Strikes. Acolyte. That's a arch enemy. Deathbird. Shatterstar. Beast hangs out. The Blob. Sabretooth. Megan. Oh, hey, I got another one of these. Cool. Wolfsbane. The Bands. Here you have it. I got Jubilee, Richter, Jean Grey, the Braddock, Cable, Mojo. I have every single one of these. Got Rogue again, Beast, Blob, Bishop, Storm, Wolfsbane. Rogue is definitely my favorite hero of all time. Open says Beast hangs out. Cerise, Archangel, Megan. Another one of these. Wolverine, which is a pretty good card. Bishop, Mr. Sinister, Fenris, X-Force, X-Men Blue, Silver Fox. Mastermind, he's definitely new. Nightcrawler is not new. Captain Britain. The Claws of Wolverine. Acolytes. Sunspot. I got Dagon Phoenix, Sorrow, Cyclops, the Braddock, Dark Riders, Mojo. Ooh, he's a good card. That's a gold foil right there. That is a gold foil. What's the type of cards they have? Guaranteed one holo should come out of this set of 36. Colossus. Deathstroke is not. Deathstroke.
Colossus is cool.
The Britain. Santa Blaze. 6-pack. Shadowcat. Omega Red. The Power of Professor X. Sabretooth. This is an arch enemy. I doubt I have the other one. Gideon. Brotherhood of Evil Mutants. And another Juggernaut. I'm gonna rip you in half now. On to the next pack.
Has bro ever even read any of these comic books?
Cyclops.
You should totally do that.
Yeah, I gotta get him. Nasty Boys. Have that. That's a team. No, it's not. That's an arch enemy. Persuasion Gambit style. Archangel, which is an enemy. Black Tom. Got a good look at him.
Yes. The case.
Got another Apocalypse. I don't know how to say that person's name. Fitzroy. The Claws of Wolverine. X Factor. That should be an arch. No, that's the team. Yeah, that's the team. The Fury of Storm.
W.
Mastermind. Nightcrawler. Hazard. Excalibur. Sunspot. And the Brood. Which is like a legion of aliens.
Pretty cool.
Bishop. Cerise. Fenris. X-Force. Wolverine. Silver Fox. That's all we got for right now. We'll come back to you when we have the rest of them done. And peace. I gotta give all credit to Bro. So, what pack? Bro just opened a pack. Gunner356 opened this pack right here. And I'm gonna do that one last, but I'm gonna run you guys through it here. Get this junk out of my way. Cannonball. Acolytes. I need to do that like that. Deathbird. Iceman. Sorrow. And he pulled out a motherfudging holo.
So what is this one?
That is Cable's holo.
Pretty cool. I was opening them and then I saw it and I was just like, I didn't even see what it was, but I saw the glow of the outside of the holo card, so I just like handed it to him.
This is the second score. This is all we've got out of it. And bro managed to frickin' pull a holo.
Yeah, pretty cool,
Stole the glory from his girlfriend, might I add.
I'm sorry, I just wanted to open some cards. I didn't expect it, and I literally just got done saying that statistically it's not guaranteed, but...
We're on to the bonus. Hunter's girlfriend is letting me open a Pokemon pack.
Alright, open it up. Let's see what we got.
Can I rip this? We got a Weedle, Golbat, Bergamite, Esper,
Definitely a lot more cards in there.
Doxies, Transformation Tongue, Sudowoodo, Carnivine.
I see a shiny one.
Oh my god! It's a full art!
It's a Froakie.
Let me see, hold on.
I'm gonna cry.
Oh, I like the colors. That's so cool.
Is this one any special? It's kind of shiny.
Oh my gosh, that's literally my favorite card. That's my favorite Pokemon.
Who is it?
Well, I don't know how to say the name.
We're opening the second pack. Watchog, Octillery,
Yeah, they're a lot more common with Pokemon, I'm pretty sure.
Campy, Beldum,
You
Deoxys,
just pulled that one.
Floette, Metagross,
Yeah, I see another one.
Roxy's Performance, Bergamite, Goodra,
I think it's...
Basic Energy, and then the last one doesn't matter.
Those aren't so bad.
So that was all of the card opening. I doubt you guys will want to stick to it to watch me organize. It's gonna take a while. So guys, that's all we have for today. We got a pretty good pull out of it. Shout out to Hunter. And that'll be all for today's video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And peace!